Hi, it's Fiestaro. Okay, so yeah, all signs. So messages, energy check-ins, and yeah, prediction. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, yan. Message nyo lang siya sa kanya pong FB page na Perception of Light. And yes, don't forget na rin na i-follow, okay? And yeah, regarding sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, this is available po no sa red and black strings. And yes, this is our Evil Eye ring. Okay, this is limited lang po, no? Limited slots pagdating sa ating ring. Yan. So, ganyan siya. Yeah. Okay. And, yeah. So, pagdating naman sa ating bracelet, this is customized. Okay. So, lalagyan natin ang initial ng inyong name. Okay. So, lahat ng kung anong meron sa bracelet is nasa inyo na nakalock. Okay. So, yeah, for more information about these two, just message lang po no sa akin pong FB page for more information nga. Okay, so ano po yung FB page nyo? Oo, Fiestaro. Okay, yun lang po. Okay, so let's start. Air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Yan. Okay. Anong message for air signs? Okay. So, first, the Page of Swords. Someone is like stalking, being sneaky. I don't know. Okay, like, okay. Yeah, the Devil. Something like rumor. May mag-spread na rumor. May something na pwedeng makaka-trigger sa inyo. Okay? Be careful, air signs, no? Sa mga bibitawang salita. Be careful. Excuse me. Be careful. Yeah, the Magician. Konting aberya. Pagdating sa mga online transactions, I guess. The Magician in reverse. No. Bakit the Magician? The Magician and the Hangman in reverse. May mga conversation na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? May mga pag-uusap o pagtitipon or I don't know, like kumpul-kumpulan. Mga ganyan. Avoid nyo if ever na may mga issue na pinag-uusapan sila. Okay? Pwede kasing may ganyan, mangyaring ganyan, pero I don't know, like andun yung chismisan eh. No, andun yung chismisan. Pero hindi ko alam kung meron kung totoo or what. Like I don't know, someone is like may sinisiraan lang. May sisiraan lang. Ganyan. 8 of coins. Some people talaga wants you down. No? Wants to drag you down like that. So, lahat ng pwede nilang gawin, gagawin nila. Okay? Para hindi ka umangat, hindi ka umasenso. Yeah, the 7 of Swords. The sneaky one. Sabi ko dito yon. So, yan. Okay, so, pagdating sa workplace, air signs, magmapagmatsyag ka. Meron ditong, sabihin nating, May mawawala. Okay, to be specific. Oo, may mawawala, something. Pera. May kamalan, mga ganyan. May kakalat na rumor. Kakalat na chismis. Yan, ganyan. Iniisip ko kung ano ito. Eight of Coins and the Seven of Swords. Ito may mga gustong sumabotahe sa'yo, air signs. So, lahat ng plano mo, hindi mo dapat ipagsabi. In general. Okay? Oo, wag mong hahayaang open na open ka kung kanino. Okay? Gawin mo tong gabay. Hindi lahat is pwede mong mapagkatiwalaan. Ha? Okay? Andyan yung mapaglinlang eh. May mga taong mapaglinlang. Akala mo, pwede mong pagkatiwalaan, pero yun pala totally ang sisira. Okay? Don't trust anybody. Yeah. Lalo na kung tungkol sa pera. Okay? So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Okay. So, there. Knight of Cups in reverse. So, parang meron ditong like, nawawala na yung focus sa gusto nila. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Parang nawawala na ng lakas ng loob or nawawala na ng gana na gawin or ipagpatuloy yung isang bagay. Meron ditong person talaga na pwedeng pahihinain yung loob mo, fire signs. Wag ka makinig. Okay? Wag ka makikinig sa kanila. Yeah, the Hermit. Oops. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. May mga sitwasyon dito na pwede kayong talagang takutin na kung sino. Secrets, nandito rin. Nakakita ko ng blackmail. May mga blackmail. This is not nice. Blackmailing. Para lang hindi lumabas ang dapat na lumabas. Okay? Yeah, the Star in reverse. The Star in reverse, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, in general, may mga parating sa'yo, fire signs, na pagbabago, pero I think you're not ready enough. Okay? Parang may kulang pa. So, yung frequency mo at frequency ng mga parating na bago is hindi pa magka-level. This is something good, pero you need to help yourself para mapunta ka sa level ng kung ano mang itong mga parating na ito. So, you need to improve. You need improvement, no? Pagdating sa sarili. Huwag ka magiging hopeless. Okay? Every time, every day na nagumigising ka, pagkakataon yon. Tandaan niyo yan. Okay? False start. May naririnig akong false start. False pregnancy. Kumuha ng second or third opinion. If this is medical matter, medical issue. Okay? So there. Yeah. Next. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron sa mga water signs? Okay. Okay. Tingnan ko muna to. The World Universe, the Empress. A lot of room for improvement, for progress. May hindi matutuloy na pregnancy dito, water signs. Kung may plano kayong hindi ituloy yung pregnancy, pag-isipan nyo muna. Maigi. This is specific. Okay. Yeah. Avoid nyo yung stress. Kasi, ito is specific ha. Avoid nyo yung stress, lalo na kung preggy ka. Okay? And may chance pa ng bleeding. Avoid stress. Some of you, your mother is missing you. Father. They miss you. May pag-uwi sa parents. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? The Two of Wands universe. The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, there is progress. Pero meron kang mga kailangang tapusin na. Ganun naman po palagi. Para magkaroon ng bago. Okay? Para, yeah. This is like, kailangan nung may itapon para makabili ng bago. Oo, kasi kapag inipon ng inipon, hindi na maganda. Kalat na. Okay? So, yeah. Avoid delays. Water signs. Just keep on going. Keep on moving. The Hermit. Schedules. Papunta sa doctor. May maririsked. May madidelay. The Two of Cups, universe. Isolating. Hindi ko na bakit ako ganito magbasa ngayon. Oo, I don't know. So, isolating. Ang parang sinasabi dito. Okay, isolate yourself, no? Sa isang sitwasyon or sa isang connection. Some of you, there's an offer coming na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan talaga. Nakakita ko ng kasal dito. Nakakita ko ng proposal for some of you, water signs. Nakakita rin ako dito ng unplanned pregnancy. That's not for all. Okay? May unplanned pregnancy ako nakikita rito. Okay? Next. Earth signs. Okay, so anong meron for earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, so ito muna. Four of Coins in reverse. The Four of Cups in reverse. Paggastos. May mga paggagastusan na pwedeng masasakripisyo yung mga pangsariling kagustuhan mo. Okay? Meron dito mga kailangan na i-let go. Relationship, connection, I don't know. In general, meron kang kailangang bitawan na. Yeah. Ooh, the Six of Cups in reverse. May energy ng past dito. The Five of Swords. Ito yung parang someone is thinking of you a lot, earth signs. Someone, hindi kayo to. This is not your energy. Nilet go mo tong taong ito. Yeah, they're always they're always thinking of you every night, every day. Okay? Like, I don't know, bakit ganito? Like, sobrang bitter nila. Yes. Sobrang lungkot. May mga taong nandyan para siraan ka. So maybe they see you as someone who is so successful. You have victory, mga ganyan. So may mga tao sa paligid mo na they feel left out. Okay? Like feeling nila wala na silang binatbat like that. Yeah. The Knight of Coins in reverse. Mga taong walang nangyayaring improvement, I guess. Okay? So, yeah, there's a past person here din na parang andun yung jealous, no? Sa mga bagay na sabihin natin ang dami lang iniisip ngayon. Andyan yung panghihinayang. Yes. Okay. Next. The Seven of Swords. Yeah. Someone is being sneaky over you. No, like, may mga nag-i-stalk sa'yo, earth signs. May mga taong hindi nagiging totoo. Nandyan lang sila because of your money. This is not for all. Okay? You need to avoid this. May nakakaramdam din dito na parang wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila. Yeah, the Seven of Wands in reverse. Parang wala ka nang pakialam. Yung mga taong ito is pwedeng hinayaan mo na sila. But yes, their energy is still lurking. Still nandyan pa rin pagdating sa'yo. Even though kinakalimutan mo na or wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila totally. Nandyan pa rin. They're not letting go. Yeah, the High Priestess. So, I guess, marami lang silang tanong. Marami lang silang gustong malaman sa'yo. About you. Yeah, the Moon. This is the same energy. Okay? The same lang yun. Ito pa. A lot of person is thinking about you. Some of them, they're just like praying. May mga taong nagdarasal din para sa'yo, Earth signs. Yeah. May mga taong nagre-regret sa mga ginawa nilang decision pagdating sa'yo. So, nandun nga yung panghihinayang nila. Their energy is so low. So sad. Yes. I felt sad. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang ating reading for you. Earth signs. Okay, so, yeah, all signs, I mean. So, there, yun ang ating, yeah, all in all. All in all, oh. So, yun, hanggang dito lang muna. Yes, the energy is so, okay. So, there. Oo. Well, thank you. Bye.